Okay. Okay. So yeah, my YouTube and Twitch viewers, I think can hear me now. So yeah, let's continue with this. Okay. Yeah, everything is working. I'm pretty sure everything is working now. Oh, well, hopefully. So basically,
Welcome, Tiny.
oh, it's kind of like my this is having a very low frame rate. Wait, let me see how many frames. Actually, the same frame rate, but it feels like it's slow. Okay, so basically, I was working on this guy, this this guy. So I made him dash. And the problem I had, yeah, is moving really fast. That's what it's supposed to be doing. So the problem I mostly had was it wasn't fast enough. Like it wasn't damage. It's not damaging me, just passing through me. So let me fix that. So go over to his level.
Welcome, they not like us. Welcome, Noni Wama.
They not like us. What's up? So
Welcome, I Finny Chuckwas.
okay, yeah, that's it. That thing audio needs to drop.
Welcome, Max Stefano.
Okay, so hold up.
Welcome, all.
Yeah, where is TikTok Studio? Uh, okay, so it's not damaging me, which is really weird. I had a component for that. Collide. Wait, why can you collide projectors? Collide with only player. Um, let's see if it's from the script. Prince player that didn't
Welcome,
work.
Double.
That didn't work. It's not printing his player, so let me check. Where's the player? A fine player, imagine. Mine's a fine player. Alright, so click this guy. Yeah, player detection. Uh-huh. This is the player this thing. Let me see which enemy that actually like them. Let me check the uh, hot dog one. Let me check their stuff. Like how do they damage him? Top 5, what's up? And he left. Okay, so let's see. They have a player detector thingy, which is this guy. Has a collision shape. Set to collide with the player. Uh-huh. Is that in like too fast? Is that why it's not damaging the player? That would be weird if it was because it's too fast. Let's see. Let me check if it was too fast. If it's too fast, that would be weird. Let me close some of these things. Why is global even myself? Okay, yeah, tutorial use a close manner. Okay, so let me reduce this. Let me reduce this dash speed. I think that thing is an exported variable. So dash was set to 3000. Let me reduce back to 1000. Let me see if it will damage the player. Because for some reason it's not damaging the player. And I think because it's moving too fast, basically. That's why it's not damaging the player. So let's observe. Wait, did I shit wrong button? Um Pizza level boss. Die center. Okay, so let's see. Wow, 1000 is actually pretty good. Okay. Ooh, and it stops. I like this one. I like this one. I like this one. That 3000 was really too fast. And I think maybe 1005 will be the time. So it's not basically like it's too fast. Melee collider. Let me see. Is it that it's disabled? I remember I'm supposed to enable it. Let's see. Melee collider. Control arrow and look for it. You know what? Let me see when it's finished. This is when we disable it back. So let me just confirm first that it was, and I'll think bother about the disabling stuff later.
Welcome, Proxy Solo.
Let me just, yo proxy, what's up? Okay, let's try again. Aha. So wait. Is it that he was moving? But bro, look at that thing. That actually looks really good. Not gonna lie. Let me see. Go far away. Ooh, it's like he's. Ah no, I don't die. I shouldn't have let myself die. Let me click restart. I shouldn't have let my.
Welcome plus
This bug.
W.
What? This bug still there? I've gotten rid of this bug now. Oh, I thought I had. Alright, tomorrow I'll just log in and get rid of it once and for all. So this thing was one of the issues. Let's see. Let me just disable this right now. Right. Let me try it again. I don't really trust you. Don't let me go. Like seriously, man, this bug, I'm supposed to have destroyed it now. When you click restart, that is not supposed to do that shit. When you click restart, it's not supposed to clear that stuff now. It's hold on. Where's the game over script? Let me check the game over script. Apart from Nigga, don't we have something else? No, we don't have anything else. Selected character is supposed to be false. Where is game over? Over a new game equals true. Right. Okay, so gotta go over a new game. I think this is my fault. Um, if go over a new game and not has global dots game data dots not what was that this thing I selected this thing. I'll die again. I'll die again and test this thing. If this is false, that is false, that is going to Sven is going to run this thing. Wait, this is even the bug. Let me see. Wait, let me check something. Before I press play again. User data, let me check something. Only save game data is here. This guy is opening this. Why is this using my PC webcam? Oh, okay. So his new game is true. Accelerated character is what I think because of press that is. Let me just select a new character. Test this thing again. Funny enough, for my Twitch, I have 0 followers. Oh, no worry, close.
Welcome, my Mayamba.
Oh, Mayamba, yo, what's up, Alpha? Alpha. So let me go back to the pizza boss level. Nigga, what? Thank you, boss. Mayaba, arigato gozaimasu. Thank you for the gifts. Okay, let me check the.
Welcome, Navio.
I wonder how. Okay. So back to what I was saying. Sometimes the collision shape is moving too fast that the collision shape itself can't even. Yo, what's up? Arigato gozaimasu, bro. Now we supposed to tell you arigato. Nabil, Alpha. Wait, this cat. See the hair. Nabil, what's up? Let me die again and see that this bug will still happen. Restart. This bug CD like wow. Wow. All good, all good. I know that by now you have clocked out for today. Nabil. Or you see the office. This burger is waiting for you. Accelerated character turned to false. Why? How? This burger fast food was anyone is the same thing. I bet Nabi. No wahala, no wahala tomorrow. I just try today, I just want to do something. Twice. This nigga don't tear my hand. These cats don't tear my hand. Nigga, you drew blood. No wahala, bro. These cats don't draw. Yeah, don't tear me. How you tear me? Is with your claws or your teeth? Don't you finish now? You find attention. Okay. So yeah. Guy, if I will play with them. So basically, this bug, honestly, I don't even know. Okay, I know. Sorry, I know. Honestly, I don't even know. I actually know what's wrong. So basically, wow, nigga, I'm walking. Come and play with you now. Okay, so basically, this shit, my hand. Why is upset character false? On restart, it's only when you click on main menu that's when accelerated character is supposed to be false. When you select a character, It seems to go back as like out as well. Feed the cats for a gift. Ayada. Oh Allah. Drop gifts, I'll feed the cats. Hey, Ayada. They come here. Let me go. Bro, I can't find the cat. I can't find it. Okay. Yeah, I don't see him. Yeah, I ain't gonna drink water. Okay, so let me stop playing this guy music. Ah shit. I'm on this car soon actually playing. Okay, so that ball some I close visual I still close this in Visual Studio. I'm supposed to close it now. Meow, meow, meow. So as a character is false, which is not supposed to happen. And
Delicious.
when I check if this okay. Nigga. Nigga, oh, this guy he type rubbish code. Nigga, get off my keyboard. Nigga, get this guy just dey block my screen. Why you say cats dey behave like woman? Once they need the attention. See, this guy, see, J, 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 K, 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 K. Oh yeah, come. Stay here. Uh, okay. No, like, I was hailing you, Sha. My cat's just, nigga, leave my keyboard alone. So, not even my cat safe, now my neighbor cat. uh, bro, this nigga, which kind of wahala be this now? Oh yeah, come. Okay, I'm back. Oh my, that cat's the cat is one person. I'll give him that fish again, hey, rest. See, true, just a go. Oh my, this is sorry, I wasn't really paying attention. That guy will disturb. Okay, so game over the GD. I don't even this bug. I don't try to fix it several times. You think you have fixed it? Only for nigga, what? Somebody did something. That oh my god doesn't just happen. Okay, Mayamba. Ah, is that a cat? Cat gift. Thank you for the cat gift. Okay, I don't go give her food again for the thousand time. Then you'll come back again, hopefully. Alright, so I've done my end of the bargain and stuff. Okay, so back to this guy. Global Pizza Boss, Level Pizza Boss, Game Over. Yes, when in Game Over, this global data. I mean, just something really clear the data one. They find Wait. Huh? Oh! Wait, when we lose inventory data, we also clear data. No, 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 let me don't do that here. Let me don't do that here. Maybe that's the thing that is going back to clear the data that I don't even know of. And this is in new option, new game. If you say new game, it will clear the data. No, Allah, bro, GG's. Say go back, go face real life. Bro, you so no, Allah, GG's, bro. This new game option. New game option, listen, okay. Let me try again. Hopefully, this bug does not go again like last time. Why did my technical gifts as well? Okay. It's working on the new boss. Yeah, if it's bug. Yeah, if it's bug, let's not work on the new boss. Will be mine. Are you guys hearing the music? Shut. Okay. Oh yeah, let me tell you one more time. So sometimes the guy is like, it's too fast. The polygon, the stuff is not even able to do damage. I realize. There it is. I need to time that thing so I can also make sure that that stops this stop ASCP. Getting 179 FPS, I take it as because of the multiple streams I'm streaming from. So let me click start again. You know what? But this one is happening over and over again. This is a very game breaking bug. Wait, does this happen in the Steam version? If it happens in the Steam version, I'm screwed. Let me see. Let me try it. If this occurs in the Steam version, I'm so screwed, honestly. I've tried fixing that bug. Most people think, you know, it die, it goes invisible, like there's no splash selected. Let me check something. Oh, this is connected to my phone. Shit. Wait. Why is this invisible now? What the fuck is this button? Yo, what's up? Why is this mouse still invisible? I'm fixing this thing now. Yo, Daniel, what's up? I don't like Daniel, but you're discussing. Let me see. Wait. What? What? Yeah, I thought I've updated this game now. I've not updated the Steam version. Do not have this bug. Come on. I thought I had. Have I updated my own game? My bro, it's part of the 19 those devices. My mouse is saying, at least I died and I'm still here compared to the version of my games. Why is this mouse? God. I don't fix this thing out. What's going on here? Your mouse is just invisible. Good. I didn't live on Steam. Yo, why is NVIDIA this thing popping up now? Let me just check if maybe I've not updated this Steam version. That's the only way I can say, yes, my game is buggy. But if it's not updated, it's not going to play. It's going to first state of this again. Oh, I'm offline mode. Offline mode, sorry. Yeah, I think it's not updated. I was in offline mode, so I was using my this thing for that one. So I had to go offline. So go online now. I think I go online. Go online. I'm offline since. I don't know when my friends are playing other games. Right, like that is updates. I needed to update this. I'm not doing that. Stop. Press my keyboard. Not update. You update this game now. Let me see if the bug is a broken bug version I see here.
Broken or is it?
No, my internet is really slow. I think I'll check. But it's just 1.8 MB now. Yes. God, this guy. Okay, the game has updated. Just 1.8 MB updates. Just a bug fix. Nothing much. So let's test it again. Stay away from that keyboard. Mouse is still invisible. Come on, slow. My mouse is still invisible. I was supposed to have fixed this thing. Have I not updated it? Wait. Where is this guy? Look. When I do this update, yes. That's how you can update this. Like, why not? It's not like there's a controller connected to this. There's no controller. It's only when there's a controller. Wait, hold on. Let me test again. Visible, when it goes full screen, it just hides the mouse. Like, why? And to fix as I said, used to allow the API windows. Confine mouse automatic. I've not folks seen this kind of error problem before, this kind of bug in Godot before. You are going full screen, just hide your mouse like why? If you are please let me know, how do you fix it? How did you fix it? my man's gets hidden with dots. Let me see if somebody is under issue 2019. So let me check that. I can do it now. Load now. No, that one is loading. Let me focus on I'm going thing right now, which is when I die the same. Come on, seriously. Just coming today, you have your own plans, but the game have a different plans with you. State your rules, whatever I say to the player data of this game. You have to write it to this stuff. Come on, man, show me something else. Alright, we have to reset skin. Show me something else, okay, reset skin. Okay, this is where we game data to skin, go select character, blah 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 blah. Question though. When do I set has selected character? Like there's this boolean I have that basically lets the game know if I've selected a character, which is this guy. How do I set it? How do I set it to true? Okay. Quick weapons. Okay, this is where I set it. Okay. So basically, so if that's the case, then why isn't that working? Let me just see something. Why is it always coming false? But right now, the man is selected true. This new game is false. Okay. Let me ban that. Come on, give me faster than the way to leave. Okay, the starts. You say £5, this is the false. Okay. Yes. I selected card I see true. I selected card I see true. Skin is blood as well. Yo, Spider-Man, what's up? Skin is blood. Yes. So let that show. Need to fix my task. I'm checking one by one. What is going on here? Just be something I'm just going to reset everything I've done. That's causing this issue. Yo, what? Bro, change this music. Hmm. I think I'm just going to ignore this and just work on this boss. You know, later I'll debug it. Honestly, let me just do what I clocked in to do today, which is basically let me see. Bro, how do you do this to me? Like, so right now it's in around in the skins, but no. Whatever, let me just fix the. Rest. I'm gonna work on that boss. Fix this other two box tomorrow. No, back to this boss. if I should make this thing really big. If is that rain? Really? Um, I want to hide that stuff immediately. It stops, doing that. I don't like that. I think it definitely stops well when he, hits the stuff dashing on my but it has issues when it collides with the player. Like we collides with a wall. So once it collides with a wall, I think we should just let me just do something.
Welcome, Mike.
Yo, Mike, what's up? Alpha. If boss dot is on wall, let me just try this. If we collide with a wall, let me just call this function. Yeah, that should the dashing should come first automatically. Yo, bro, Alpha now. Alpha. So how is your game dev journey so far? Like, how has it been? Wanted to wrong scene. Fine. Sometimes you can just add any time now, 1 hour per day or something. Something. Even if it's 1 hour or 2 hours, you can just put it. Bruh. Okay, now we have an issue. But if he's on wall, like he can't dash. He can't dash. Bro, no kill me, no kill me, no kill me, no kill me. Alright, no wahala. Just try. It's not easy, but little by little, step by step, you eventually get there.
Welcome, Andrew.
Eventually get there. It's not easy, just step by step, small, small. What am I even doing myself? So when he's on wall, sometimes it just stops dashing. That is supposed to happen only once. Like he can't even dash until he gets away from the wall. Okay, I think I know what I will do. I will just do this instead. Instead of me to disable the entire dashing, I will just copy this code. Because the main issue is just basically for him to hide that stuff. What does this guy want to say? Okay, direction, yeah, it will rotate. Yeah, I work on 3D games. If you check the group, I posted something that I was just playing with today. I work on 3D games. It's not only 2D games. Now, the previous game I was working before I came to this game was a 3D game. I decided to do this one because I thought I'll be able to do it very fast, but eventually it's been almost a year and I'm still working on it. But I'm definitely going to wrap it up this year. I would say Godot is much more beginner friendly compared to Unity, honestly. Godot is very beginner friendly. Before we will say Unity because there are a lot of tutorials, but right now Godot 2 has a lot of resources to learn. And obviously you know that Python is much more easier to learn than C Sharp. Godot uses GDScript, which is basically like Python, so I'd advise you to just go with Godot. Godot is much more easier. And it's very light. You just double click, you can boot. It even can even run on your mobile phone. There's an Android version of Godot. Unlike, you know, since you're writing Python, since you fall in love with GDScript, it's basically the same thing, just little difference. So just start with Godot. If you need recommendations for tutorials to get started, I would recommend Bracky's tutorial. Although I kind of find his video like his tutorial very fast for beginners. So, but just start with that one. No, I'll get to go and there are tons. Okay, what happened there? By the way, this guy is supposed to be able to even slice through this thing, that stuff. Let me make it collide with what? So to break that share. Brackies. Let me search it. Bra. This YouTube channel, Brackies. Let me open it. This one. You can see there's VFX because he started making Godot tutorials. Hero mode. No, I've not seen it. I've not seen it.
Welcome, Junior VC.
I've not seen that movie. Aha. Yeah, it can break that stuff now. Yeah. So let me try. Let me say I started 2020, so this year will make me like 5 years, not 6 years, 5 years. Because I started 2020 around October, so yeah, 5 years now. It's not them. I've not even achieved anything. So now I'm actually taking this thing, like trying to see if I can release
Welcome,
something
Bumblebee.
and like an actual game. I who knows, maybe make some bread. Because since I've just been learning and doing freelancing and stuff. It works now. I think that time it was because of the speed, and now it gets disabled and it gets enabled. Let me see if I can dash. Fuck. Let me see. Switch to 9. Yeah, let's see. See me. Lot of dashing. Let's go. I slice him. I slice the guy. Whip, I slice the nigga. Do you know who I am? Do you? Who damaged who? Wait, why can't I tell? I need to find a way to tell when you play against that. Shit. I'll die. Let me restart. I am the storm that is approaching. Let me try again. AR simulator. Let me see. The storm that is okay. That means you want to be making stuff like VRO games then. That one, it's possible. There's this guy now in the group that basically does those kind of games. Like, he does VR games. Bro, that guy damaged me. I see slicing. Oh. I sliced him this time. Bro, you might be fast. Oh my god, damaged me. I will die. I don't want to die. I don't want to die. I want to live. Okay. Yeah. It will be cool, sure. Yeah. I think these devs that made a shooting multiplayer game like that, but basically take the. I understand what you're trying to say, sure. I understand it. Yeah, there was once I actually made a, let me say, Temu VR Chrome dinosaur game. Yeah, you can basically, if you carry it on your phone and put inside a VR headset, those VR headset that you put your phone inside. So if you put your phone inside and when you jump, the thing will jump. So I understand. It will be actually really cool when you do it, honestly. Yeah, I don't really like. How many plans for that next? Okay, so for this boss, this first slashing ability, the only the only thing I'll say is missing is the sound,
Welcome, Mario.
because the sound is not. It's basically using the do not bust sound, and there's a way it has a beat to it that you just know that it's about to attack. I really like it. Let me see. I'm thinking what. Wait. I'll do some research and see how I can make that guy sound much more recognizable. So through the sound alone, you can know when he's attacking. No, this song that is playing is Devil May Cry. What? What if my inactivity is actually my this? It's Devil May Cry. Is David McCray team song Virgil? I am the storm that awakens. I play on my Spotify was just playing stupid things. So I decided to play game music. And this kind of music I like. But somebody cooks one badass no. Now I talk on that same song. Look at it now. Bury the lights. Virgil's rebirth sound effects. Sound collection. Okay, so what's next? Okay, let me work on your new ability. No, the next ability I wanted is something like you create some kind of shadow clones and create mini versions of yourself. They'll not be big as him, so you can tell who is the main guy. So the shadow clones will spawn. I do. I went out like I came back around to 9. That's when I decided to start working on this game. I do. I love the introvert. I can never be an introvert. I go outside and I touch grass. I love grass. And so as I was saying, going to make him do the next attack is going to be like create shadow clones. The shadow clones will now summon this shuriken stuff. Very low. It will summon a ring of shurikens and they all attack at the same time. So if you are allowed to like, dodge. But those shurikens, they all have like different ones. I think I have one that splits up the end. So then you can use the splitting, so then we use a round one. Or should I make it uniform? Because I think making it different might be wickedness. So then making it uniform sometimes is actually the splitting one, sometimes is the using. What's SAAS? That's SAS. I don't know what that means. Don't know what that SAS means. Software as a service. I have no idea what it means. I don't have any idea what that is, so I won't even be able. I don't know. Let me see. Oh, let me see. Types of use cases of software as a service or products. Let me see. So if I see products, so cloud-based application access via the internet system based Google Workspace. Okay. I don't really have any intention yet, so okay, okay. Um, Bro, you can try that. If you want to become a game developer, you can try that. You can try that. But me, I want to just make a game, put a price tag on it, and drop it as there. It's a nothing more. See this guy. Then they can't tell me. Now me or Kodza. So let me create the mini versions of these guys. Today is Wednesday. I plan to do this guy finish this month. So I'll duplicate this and I'll call it mini pizza boss or shadow clone pizza boss. price tag, nigga, bro. That's what I'm saying. Before, I just make games for fun, but now, bro, we are getting old. We are getting old. We need to make money, bro. I know some people will be like, ew, he's trying to make games for money. Bro, I need to make money, okay? I don't make money. At that time, to build other people games. I don't build clients games that yeah. Seeing them doing stuff. That's why I'm now. I'm just basically doing mine. And my games are not like my games are even like that OP. It's just beat them up, action arcade games, guy. Something that some people actually say is boring, but I don't care. According to VCD will say VCD and one other developer like he said that and they will say that your game does not have a market. But bro, who decided that? Collect money for coins, you mean all those microtransactions?
Welcome home.
Bro, that's the truth honestly. If you keep showing your game out there are some people like, okay, look at these fast fooders. Okay, cold coins. Like, is it that players making money through those ones, or people buying it with real money? Is it what you mean? So this shadow clone boss, I'll make them just be small. Then I will create. Okay, so you take the borrow money, bro. So many people are trying to do that now. Is it not this the dream of Web3? Is that? That's the dream of Web3 gaming now. I don't even see how that is going to be applicable.
Welcome, MM.
Because think about it. Let's say even if you're making money through ads. Let's say you're making money through. Let's say you're making money through ads. Depends on which person watch the ads, which country they are. We have tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 countries. You won't even be able to generate enough money. Like, bro, that system, except if it's in a way that people value as, let me say, Bitcoin is a good example. And this game that Valve did. What's the game? The game basically has a real life marketplace like in Steam, where you can design weapons and sell the skins. You understand? Design the skins and sell them. That, like, they call points. Call this is now some people sell their accounts. That's the only way you can do something like we play game to make money. But if not, say to build an app, like to build a game, you have to play to earn and play to earn. Come on, I don't even know how they are going to do that one. Like, it's something that I've think about it and I'm like, nah. Yeah, what's your thoughts? So I've got this guy is Shadow Clone Boss, Pizza Boss. So I've gotten rid of that stuff. What made me pause is even this guy. I don't know how to get rid of this guy. I was thinking of a system where the things that will make the wait, did I do what I okay. Basically, the stuff that is going to be telling the clones what ability they are going to use is going to come from the pizza boss himself. Okay, so that's the thing that I want to do now. So I'll create a shadow clone instance or something like that. I'll give it a 2D and I'll call it shadow clone instance. Another good question is where would they even spawn in to? So a very good question, but I really have no idea. let's just figure it out as we go. Can make them spawn around the player in a circle, or I can just make their spawning be random. Get some spawn points into that level, split it out, get the um, parts to that this thing, and then just yeah, I think that will work. So shadow clone instance is going to have a script. I hope that's in the pizza box. Yeah, pizza box. Okay. So the shadow clone instance is where for going to instance this guy, the shadow clones. Then if it's good for now, it will just so constant shadow clone. Shadow clone should come to that. Then what else? By the way, how long have I been streaming? Ooh, 1 hour 14 minutes, nice. Okay, so shadow clone and so this thing will still derive from this boss attack state, extend from this, which requires a enter state and exit state. Let me copy that. These are boss attack state. We don't need that here. Animation player the play attack how? Oh, no wonder. No wonder I'm wondering like where is wait is that the case? I need to think I'll need to go and check Sekiro. I'm thinking Sekiro, some of those anime gacha games, like how do they do a big character that dashes, like speed slash. I think it's an indie game like that too. I don't need to see how they activate that ability. Then I'll come back to this animation player and do that. I can't do that in the stream right now. I'm already confused. My brain is going left and right, left and right. So I will not do that. Set physics process first, can dash, blah blah blah. Okay. Yeah, you need. Why isn't this boss stuff like in here? Since we always need an access to the boss. Okay, bro, you're back. So did you hear like the stuff that I said? No, that did not work. Godot 3 is fucked, I swear. Godot 3 is so fucked compared to Godot 4. Yeah. He said the boss no welcome am again. Yeah, bro, the boss don't say that you now. Okay. So yeah, the monetizing part is the main bedroom now. Monetizing is what? Why is this guy not showing this? I'm trying to make Sorry. I'm trying
Welcome on right now.
I'm trying to make the boss make a shadow clone jutsu. You understand? Where he summons small multiple enemies of clones of himself, but will be smaller than him. Then attack the player with the same attack or something like that. So basically, right now I'm having an issue where I tried to do something and the thing they bug me. Yeah, but don't worry if you just get the layout. No worry, I get that because hey, the one that code now. No worry. Why is this thing not showing now? Wait, close this guy. By the time you start to do one or two with good dots, you will start to understand it. Bro, you don't need to learn how to design. No. If you can't design, you hire somebody. It's pretty simple. Me too, I don't know how to design. I know a bit. Like yeah, you can try to learn. It's non pop. You can try to learn. Like at least when it comes to pixel art, I can do a bit of pixel art. Not that good, but I can do a bit of pixel art. But when it comes to stuff like 3D modeling, no, I suck. I suck. The character that I try and model is one stick man. It's one stick man. So most times I get assets online and just use them. You can also go and get assets. The people sell those characters. You can buy them, use them in your game. Bro, don't steal anyone from this one. Just go to Sketchfab or something. There are free ones that you can just use later. Use them as placeholder. Later you can replace them. So let me get rid of that. I push my work on GitHub now. How will you steal my code when it's not public, it's private? No, I don't push my Blender projects. Yeah, my Blender projects are very big. My Blender projects are very big. I don't push those stuff. There are other ways to back down those type of things up. We use like Google Drive or something like that. But still, like if you see my games, my game characters and all those ones, they go with the code. They are all part of the source code. So let me assign the boss is this guy. So now on enter state we want to spawn clones. So I'll create a number of clones. I will explain. Let me just use a constant scroll this thing. Yeah, see my GitHub now. Alright, see my GitHub here now. Let me reload. See my GitHub now. Currently working on fast food wars. When I'm done now, see my other projects then. Yeah. All of them are backed, except from the ones that I need to pull in, which is client stuff. Look, everything is here. I don't know. GitHub. I've not had any space issue in GitHub. Honestly, I've not had any space issue. People that actually get those kind of issues, people that are using stuff like Unreal Engine and Unity, because those ones they are even just creating a project. The project folder will be like almost a gig or something because of the extra things that are those engines add by default. But Godot, you create a new project, your project will be like less than an MB or something. So also on that constant number of clones to be spawned, which I'm thinking of six should be good.
Welcome, Zengaikos.
Yeah, Godot is good, but this is even Godot 3. If you see Godot 4.6, see Godot 4.6, you know that the difference is uncanny. This is 4.6. This 4.6 here. Let me show you something. If you're learning, you'll be using this 4.6. I'm using 3 because of stuff. So this is the on app that I'm working on. You say he answered that he is only 2D game. Let me just show you. I've not announced this game, shall I'm not even plan to show it now. I want it to reach a particular stage where it looks really fun and looks good. Then I will now start making videos about it. This setup is nice. So this is 4.6. You can see everything is black compared to Godot 3. This is Godot 4.6. Yeah, they went with the black, which I really don't like. I liked it better when it was blue. It made Godot look unique. Now it just looks like Unity in a way. This red and fair just make this place hostile. Yeah, that's the thing that you have to choose your poison, bro. For me, I can't model, but I know how to animate. I learned animation. Like I took it's into reinforce something. I took a while to learn animation. I took like almost 2 years to just be a bit decent. You will learn, no? Game dev is not unlike coding. Game dev, Initials, welcome back. Unlike coding, game dev is an art form. So you're not just only coding. You're doing different things. Like music. What about music? Can you compose music? You can't. If you can't, I outsourced that one to somebody. Like this one is the animation that I was making. So I just made the attack animations then today. Just pretty decent ones. It's not like I'm really good. Let me show you the full attack sequence. This is it. You go see them for game now. I will show you. Yeah, Blender. This is Blender. I used I think yesterday and today to do this. Why this guy see they load this thing now? Let this thing show finish. I'll show you the thing. For now, let me continue that guy again. I'll show you that stuff. So spawn clone, number of clones is 6. So while number of clones greater than 0, therefore we'll say number of clones to minus or equals 1. Then we say global dot spawn stuff. Spawn stuff, and the resource is our shadow clones. Parent will be what? This is get parent. Quick. Let me see. Level pizza bots. Okay, Godot is ready here. So this is. Bro, what the hell? Why is this thing lagging? Okay, everything's normal now. So this is the thing in the game. Yeah, they sell animations. They sell animations on asset stores. They sell animations. So this is a game. I was just testing the combat stuff. I post this thing for group now. Just playing with one plugin like that. So those are the animations that I did. All these things. I never had dash ability, but soon I will add it. Yeah. So it's just small. You learn it. You learn it or you outsource it. If you hire me, make I go animate for you. That's also a thing.
Welcome, Jessica Pitts.
So if you can't do it, you hire somebody else to do it for you. You feel me? Okay, so back to this guy. So okay, yeah, I came here to check where the enemies will be instanced. Spawn stuff. I think level roots have something called spawn stuff. Hold on. Levels. Yeah, spawn stuff. Yeah. For sure, bro. I am me. Okay, so it says global dots level rules dot spawned stuff, and then what else? Mm, what else? What else? The position, right? The position. Okay, for the position now, I need to do something. So we already have this enemy spawner positions. I can reuse them and spawn them. Let me just scatter them everywhere in the most random way I can.
Welcome, Thomas.
Yeah, I'm in PH. You did PH too. If you did PH, nigga, we must see you. Bruh, all these people, all of them are daily goals. All of them are daily goals. I use guess. Eh? No tell me say I gotta say you notice say I don't get better network or something. Let me just create different as many randomness as I can. Almost every position. So that to look very random. Whereas it's not random. Normally somebody that is very intelligent to be able to use a tile map. By God's grace, yeah. Let me not say anything else. Let me say by God's grace. Okay, those things are actually positioned to this. Okay, so we have different spawn this now. I need to get a reference to this guy. Enemy spawner. Almost a year now. I started. Let me just say, first time I worked on this game was I worked on it 1 month. That was the first time. That was in 2022 and 2021. Then I picked it up again last year to make it better. It's almost a year, almost. Basically, if I reach August, it will take a guy because of work now. I'm not the kind of person that I'm not putting my all my effort inside it. Just 2 or 3 hours per day. Bro, currently I've only made two zones. Making the third zones. Now once I finish this boss, I'm done with the third zones. Totally levels will give you 15 normal levels because you have 5 levels in between. 15 normal levels then plus boss level, that will be 18 levels totally. 18 levels totally. But my plan is to make 5 zones or 5 different restaurants. So remaining 2 more. So that's how when I'm done with that, then so now be marketing and trying to release. No, it depends on your what you want to do now. Now me dey stress myself. And I'll tell you that I'm a vibe coder in a way. In a way I'm a vibe coder, I won't lie. Right now it's because I know what I'm doing. I've done this things over and over again. That's why I'm not. If not, let's know I don't pop cloud. Sometimes if I'm too stressed, I don't want to even think. I'll just pop cloud and start dropping stuffs. Just copy and paste. Get my answers real quick. Start doing. Like that game I showed you. This game now I showed you. Like most of it is just. Yeah, cloud is good for coding. Cloud is good for coding. Very good. Like this hitbox today, this was what I worked on. All this is cloud code. Apart from this revive. All this knockback is cloud code. This flash effect is cloud code. Animations, don't use it and do art though. If you use it and do art, they will roast you alive. They will roast you alive. Nobody likes seeing AI art. Even me too personally, I don't want to see AI art in games or even just seeing it. I don't know. I don't know when it comes to AI. Like that, I get conflicted. In a way, I know that it's very important. Like for me now, it's very useful when it comes to the coding part. But when it comes to the art part, no, I'm not a fan of that. So don't even try that. Pay real people to do that art stuff for you. Music too, no try am. I nearly use AI for music in this game. But I played this music in the game. It's me that made those music. I played them again. I listen to them. I was like, fuck AI. I just use my music like that. Now somebody is making another music for me. Yeah, it's not bad, but bro, no. Like me, I'll tell you personally, bro. When it comes to art, that includes music. I don't use AI. It doesn't have any soul in it. I prefer something that if it's art, at least I know that the person had a reason why he did this and did that. Well, AI is just like what was I doing in my brain? I'm focusing. Okay, so I want to have an access to this enemy spawner, but this level roots, because this player container doesn't have this enemy spawner. Does enemy spawner have anything in spawn position? That's the enemy spawner. Bro, that can take a weekend. That can take a weekend to just do. You don't understand. I don't have time. I use like 1 hour most times to work on this game. Imagine 1 hour. How long do you think you'll be able to, finish a game? It will take a very long time. So that's why it's taking me time. If unlike some people that's the only thing they have to do. You understand? So once they focus on it, they just work on the game. They work on the game, they take break, they come back, they play game again. So there's a difference between people that have a lot. Like me, when I was doing game dev, like when I was a phone repair before. phone repairer. When I was doing phone repair and just doing game there because I'm learning it, you understand? I used to make games in less than 3 months or a month. But now that I have a full-time job, guy, I can't. Now I dey find money. Now I dey find money that no, I don't have that. It's just kind of a side hustle, so just 1 or 2 hours per day. Like now, this stream has been going on for 1 hour 37 minutes. Once it reach 2 hours, I will end it, and whatever I've done is that. Tomorrow morning, I'll work on the game again. See if I can fix a lot of stuff before I do streaming again. That's what I do. Tomorrow, if I get a lot of work just come. Come on. So that's that. Let me create this reference. I swear, that's the fun. Honestly, that's why I swear when you wake up and start coding, that morning time, your brain is working like magic. From 8 o'clock till like from 7, 8, 9, 10. That first 7, 8, 9, 10. Those morning times, when that's when I like working on my game. But once around all this yeah, from 7 to 10 for coding is that time your brain dey work. once afternoon reach like this, you say make you go chop breakfast, say oya make you work around 11, 12, then surely around 1 or 2, guy, your brain go dey do you heat go dey worry you from nowhere. Even if rain dey fall, cold dey, heat go dey worry you. Buluba, yesterday I feel they call Buluba, Bobalaba, something like that. Like, but you do you anyhow. So at that time, most times just play game or watch film. Then I do again around 3, 4, 5. Then I walk out from us, go touch grass, go meet my friends before I come back again. Do 1 or 2. Okay, simply. No, there was some before there was a time when I can just sit down and just work morning till night without getting up, and I think I'm really working, but come on, that thing is stressful. That thing is very very stressful. So instead, what I'm basically doing now, wait, dude, what the hell? I just realized something. I'm trying to make these guys spawn shadow clones. I write an entire full code for this thing to spawn stuff. Whereas I have this enemy spawn already inside here. When I just set the enemies I want to spawn in this part. Where is it? This resource. Make it unique. This resource, enemy scenes. Clear those hot dogs and donuts. Then add the shadow clones. Okay, what was I doing here? I already have systems already. I already have resources, things that I've already done before. I just add that in there. Then when time reach, I just tell this guy to spawn them. Spawn. I just turn on spawn through and it will spawn. Then the other thing I have to do is just tell them which weapons they will use. Let me see how many enemies per listen. Maximum waves 0, just 0, just one I need 0. Or let me just say 1. Then enemies per wave, I can set the enemies here 6. That's it. Check it out. That's it. Done. What I need to do now is just some global something that when the enemy is a spawn, they will know which weapon they want to use. They will know use weapon they want to use. These days I don't even dey try say I dey talk with you say they even dey still concentrate. Before I can't. Like I will just be here like this. I don dey talk instead. I no go even do anything again. But I'm learning. My guy said don dey learn, so this I need to learn. So this shadow clone instance will only just tell them which weapon they should use. Enter states. So okay, when we enter states, we get reference. We still need reference, yeah. Still need reference to this enemy spawner. I've already gotten a reference now. Go back. So when we enter states, when we enter these states now, we tell global does level roots does enemy spawner dot spawn. Oh bro, I can't take events play. Oh. Even Lagos now. We came to Lagos last year now for Gamaton, but it's not happening this year. Bro, the gaming ones are the main ones now. The normal ones are boring now. All these like GFest and DevFest. DevFest is actually always boring. And just some bunch of developers, some bunch of full stack developers who will come they tell you about their latest AI projects. I swear DevFest is always dry now. Now DevFest was the first tech event I was attending, yeah, until I eventually saw better ones and I stopped coming. Let me see, what is this spawn enemy code? On the mind, square equals one. Yeah, this should work. So once we enter the state, it spawns all the enemies, right? It spawns all the enemies. Screw this number of clones. Screw these ones. No, gaming events are always nice because, for example, like if you go game dev events, yeah, you just have multiple people showcasing their games. Guy, you go play game tire. Guy. Get one guy always for Twitch that will come and put one spam message like this. Top viewers, like bro, are you for real? I don't know, every time. So most of when I'm streaming, I just get this kind of this thing. Yeah, you go play game that day. Honestly, currently I think even animation event, there's one animation event that's going to happen in Lagos now. It's also find out that one self attend. UAD Lagos. I don't check Africa Communicate. Check Africa Communicate their posts them. I think their latest on Africa Communicate. Check, go find these people there for Instagram. I don't spell that in well. Africa Communicate. Yeah. Minus the backward slash. Go find those people there for their Instagram posts. I think let me there are little Instagram posts. Let me see. Events Lagos. I think it's this one. This Festival of Animation. Yeah, it's in season. Wait. Africa Comic Cage. Let me see, I think. I have a comment. I think it's this one. And this is it. Check this stuff. Let me send you a link on WhatsApp.
Welcome, Jesse.
So I don't send you a link for TikTok, for WhatsApp. Go check out. So now we have this. Alright, no Allah. So when we enter the stage, we tell this guy to spawn the enemies. Then the enemies, now how do they know which weapon to use? They have to reference this guy. So let me create a reference to this guy here. Pizza balls. How do you get a reference to pizza balls? Let me go to the global. Global. Oh, already work with deadline. Bro, just if I would advise you to just sleep so that you wake up early in the morning and then just work. If bonus they do you, maybe take tomorrow as a day off, take day off tomorrow, just chill, rest, go out, touch grass, play game, enjoy. Why you need a play it? Don't let me say you fear. See me message Abi. I don't like that. These are shoe. Don't be the advisors. These are shoe. That's this is a weekend. Oh Allah, fix your deadline then. Weekend time, you take that as a reward for your sacrifice, for your work, for your contribution. Okay, so I'll create a Inon. Should I use an Inon for that thing? Yeah, Inon. So Inon, which should be what do I call those attacks? Shuriken projectiles. So Shuriken, the politicians. Shuriken projectiles. Or what's the that attack name? I've forgotten that attack name. See this guy. That's normal, guy. Guy, if you see my own, I have my laptop fan. Bro, the chance mark. If I install, I set up my this thing like a to game. I render in Blender, bro. My fan dey blue like mad. Then I also see have a cooler under my laptop. They also dey run again. So leave that one. They are meant to make that noise. No fear. They are meant to make that noise. Yeah, I have monitor. This is my my monitor there. Then my laptop screen is that one there. Wait, I don't name this in attack type attack attack type. And I'll create an export of that in attack type. It should be attack type. var. No, monitors are pretty useful. Like you can, if you get money, buy curve monitor. For me, the one I have is just a normal monitor. Yeah, I bought this monitor for like 25,000 naira. So you can just set it. It's not an OLED or anything, but it works well. 1080 by 1080p, pretty good. But I plan to buy curve monitor. My own monitor honestly now OLED. My phone don't make me love OLED. Yeah, for you now, me I like big screens. Since I use monitor, I like big screens. I don't use my laptop screen again. If I use my laptop screen, it's just be doing me like it's too small. I like big screen. If I buy any monitor, it will be over 27 or 32 inches. Just like them big. So when we enter state, I'll create activate randomize to make random stuff work, and yeah, just okay. You don't use two screens. No, it's you'll be using mostly. I will use one screen, but due to streaming and stuff, I end up you need the second screen. Minus that one sometimes. Like for example, when I'm animating, I mostly put my references in the second screen while I animate my main screen. Or on that you're watching a tutorial, you put it in the second screen while you're working on your main screen. There are so many use cases of two screens. Sometimes just to display cool wallpaper. But yeah, or yeah, there are so many good use cases. Two screens are definitely bonus. Sometimes in Blender, I might need to be scrolling through the timeline, seeing the sound effects and everything. Tutorial, so you go need that for tutorial. Instead of you to use your phone, if you use your second screen. Okay, so I finish this for you before I end this stream. Lower level. Well, 12 o'clock don't reach. Check out. Wait, 12 o'clock don't reach. Nigga, I notice that they are weak by now. Guy, I won't play game. Guy, I won't play game. I don't always say worry me. I don't play game for this. I don't play game for this guy. One more. But I know if you play game now, because um currently if you say for multiplayer games I'm playing the finals. Then if it's action adventure games, normal single player games, I'm playing this Wolverine game that came out. It's been a while, sha. Don't take very old game. I'm playing it back. 'Cause I never played it before. Then I'm also I want to play. I downloaded Star Wars: The Last Jedi. Star Wars Jedi Sunset. Now either I want to play next. But if it's for multiplayer games, I play the finals. That's just it. PC. Mobile. If I say mobile, I dey play one game called Arrows. Then my game. Then VT game, jazz game. Only the beats them up mode. No, I dey play mobile games now. Then sometimes if I dey where people dey play Call of Duty, I play Call of Duty. There's now Blood Strike, I get Blood Strike. But I don't really care about those games. Yeah, I have my own game on mobile now. It's on mobile. I don't, hey, you're making a game in Nigeria. I mean Nigerians get PC. That is Godot now. Godot you can export on mobile and PC with a click of a button. That's how game engines are now. Yeah. Check that. Then you see the thing for down. See the gameplay for down. This link down. You ain't seen it. Google Play. It's there. You can go and download this right now and play it. Send your feedback. Play and see how you beat them. Oh my guy, Nabi don't beat that game tire. Because of him and the rush, I want to do this thing. Although this one will be locked. Come on, guy. Honestly, yeah, it's live. It's on Play Store. You can go and play. It's a demo. It's live on Play Store and on Steam. Okay. I've sent you. No wahala. Try am out see. If you see any bugs, just let me know. That invisibility bug now you tell my head. Okay, what do I want to randomize here? Okay, I wanted to say if round F is it round that is spell round F. Random that is spell it. I don't see this in there. Is lower than 0.5, so a 50% chance to choose attack type equals attack type dot shuriken disperser, else attack type equals attack type dot shuriken projectors. No, I have not set it up like that. I know there's something like that, but I have not set that up. I have to go and upload it on Play Store manually or on Steam. That's how that one works. So now, when this clone spawns, we are supposed to say global dot boss equals self. Then delete this code come up from here. They are supposed to have their own code. They are not a boss. Who dash them boss? Just copy and paste that. Boss, remove the boss here and remove this. Die, you just explode and die. There's nothing You're not special anymore.
Welcome Exeutase.
No wahala, bro. I did your back. Anything you need, just let me know. Let me clean up these things. So there should be a normal. I don't know. Should I go and instead use a normal enemy? This thing code. And put it inside yes instead. Because they are just normal enemies, not bosses. Then yeah, this spawn stuff now. No wahala, bro. Let me get rid of this. They don't have any pistol. Diagonal explode. Speed equals 0. I actually have something like this. JJK, I don't understand. JJK, okay, the anime or the game. Then two mobile game. I'll change the sound effects here. Okay, the anime. Alright. This last week episode, I don't really enjoy them. Explanation just too much.
Welcome, Lazy Game Studio.
Oh, lazy, the lazy himself, the lazy man himself. Hey, see I need overtake people for the leaderboards. He's racing to the top. This JJK anime, this last episode, I not really enjoy it. Shall I watch and see? Oh, yeah, watch and see. Is it the last episode that came out last week, or is it the new episode you want to watch?
Welcome Dada Murphy.
Old one. Yeah, just watch and share. Make I no spoil that for you. Lazy, have fun. Today no stream. I mean, don't stream finish. Bruh. Every light no dey, bro. Me sef na my solar I dey use now like this. You know say I told you now that I'm going to buy a new battery. I don't buy a battery. I'm just testing it out. And the thing don carry me reach midnight, guy. I started using this thing around 9 o'clock. Let us say 9 o'clock. Let us say 10. So this is basically 12, and the battery is still 3 bar, guy. I want to see how long thing will fit carry. Now later we'll be able to stress test this. When I play game, I'll stress test am. But like this now, honestly, sleep just for my eye, guy. But I need to do this one thing before I go to bed. So from credit, when you spawn, should they attack immediately? I let them attack immediately. So I really know something. If I spawn this guy and make them attack immediately, what will be controlling them to be attacking most of the time? Lazy, I want to shadow clone just to add for this game. This guy is chase number one. Bro, you don't become number one. What was number one? Wait, let me see what was number one. 700. No be like your own maybe say number one was 6,000. Oh man. Hey, lazy. After you don't download the game. Hey, lazy, there's a new way to. Yeah, it's 33 MB. He shock you. He shock you. just like 3 MB, a small game now. There's a new way to stream with your phone. Like that's what I'm using right now. Just like I'm streaming with my camera now, with my camera. Bro, my studio name is 1FPS Games. We try to make games that are very light so that we don't end up with 1 FPS. So games are going to be very light. It depends on the type of game. Like this game is pixel art, so it's not going to be big. If it's 3D, like my game, The Olum, that game is about 500 and something MB if I export it. But that one was because of mismanagement. I'm not going to make that mistake again next time. If not, my Blender files are like 1 or 2 MB ish. But that game I mismanaged. Instead of me to export my animations and stuff, I was using the Blender files themselves. So eventually I need to export those Blender files. That's now made it very big. Whereas, for example, let me show you something. All those things, there are ways to avoid something like that. But let me say, in this my player now, if I check the assets, all the animation I follow you now, this guy now is 1.32 MB, while this player blend is 8.46 MB. It makes sense. Thank you. I made that myself. Past me was a genius. He knew how to make music. Current me, I don't know how to make music. Okay, maybe I just continue the this thing. So randomize. When they spawn, they attack immediately. But I still need something to spawn the 2 abilities. Where is this pizza niggas? Oh my god! Lazy! Arigato gozaimasu. Bro, I've made $0.05 today. Or 0.05 cents. Arigato. So, wait. Pizza, this thing is good. Okay, I think that's the wrong pizza. Pizza Ninja. That's so that. Pizza Ninja. Let me see. Shuriken flower weapon. Where is it? Okay, I stopped the random stuff. I give you. Okay. So it is so that I will just copy this thing. So this guy, basically, what am I doing here? Do I just want him to only be dashing, then do shadow clone? Shadow clones will now spawn fireballs or shoot with shurikens. And then you play destroy shadow clones. Then I'll now go back to fighting him again. Like I said, I need to design this guy offline because my head won't tear with thoughts. I don't even know what I'm doing here. Okay, there are so many flaws in this design. It will come back and crash me again. Bro, you like the game UI? You're the first person to say that. Especially everybody been saying they don't like the UI. The UI needs to change. And I'm like, what do you want me to do? But thank you, man. Thank you for saying you like the game UI. My battery don't enter too bad. I think it's really time. Thank you. Thank you very much. Easy to navigate. Clear, straight to the point. Thank you. Okay. Maybe I should just make them spawn one thing. Right. Wait, beg lazy. Lazy no go gree. Lazy go wan take number one. Same thing I dey do when I enter industry. Saying you're doing first, whatever. By the way, lazy. Today I dey stream this thing. I stream for Twitch and YouTube with TikTok at the same time. My system be dey hang the first time. I don't try am again. I use OBS for Twitch and YouTube, but I use normal TikTok live studio for normal streaming. See, what I show you? This is OBS. This is OBS. So I have this other stuff here. This one is posting to Twitch. I can add on that one again here. This one I can even add TikTok here. You understand? There's this plugin I added that I can use to stream to multiple accounts. Then normal TikTok live center. Like this one here. Then I'm using this webcam. This thing. Look at the webcam na web. You see, I see na link. Na link why they use stream. Since I use my OBS to use my phone as camera. I will send you the tutorial when it's here. See the link. Now not like that, do very easy. Yeah, I think that's multi output, not multi stream. Which level? Which level are you talking? You know, you can't go down. Like the room is locked, you can't exit. Bruh, just restart, I'm bored waiting for that game. Yeah. Have you cleared the room? Like no enemy inside the room again.
Welcome Lazy Game Studio.
No. I think that's a bug. Just just restart the level. Go to main menu, then go back. Go to main menu and go back. That's a bug. What I fix that thing now? How is lazy see liking this thing when it's not even showing in the stream? I mean, this guy just activate auto click and waka comment. This is beyond the system. Mike, thank you very much. Try my best. I think now I know why some people have monitor on top of their monitor, like, yeah, because so that when they want to speak to chat, instead of them to look this left, they look at the top here where their camera is and be like, yo, chat, stuff like that. For me, my own camera is like in front of me. Why Trello no dey take time to load? I want to write down that bug. Guys, I'll end this stream here. My brain need to work again. My brain is not brainy at all, guy. Nothing dey click at all. Like I hear you say, yeah, tomorrow I will continue. Tomorrow morning I'll find me and fix this thing. So I not fix this thing, I'm not done yet. So yeah, thanks for watching, and if you're watching this on YouTube or later, you can go back almost 2 hours long. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Lizzie, Mike, Spider-Man, all of you, Daniel from YouTube, thank you for watching. And that guy that commented on what's his name? Twitch. So yeah, thank you everybody for watching, and